Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here and that we're going to get a little time together. Today I am unboxing a Thredup rescue box. So I'll give a Thredup rescue box unboxing and review. This is the shoe box. This is my last shoe box that I got before Thredup raised their prices on the rescue boxes. So this box was $90 for 15 pairs of shoes, which makes it $6 each. I have unboxed this box several times before, so if you're curious what you can expect from these boxes, watch today's video and then maybe a couple of my other shoe boxes. Then you can decide whether this is a box that you want to invest in for yourself or for your reselling business. If you're new, welcome. I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller, so I buy these Thredup rescue boxes to get inventory for my reselling business. Then I turn around and I sell them for profit on sites like eBay and Poshmark. Let's get into this box. My last box, the one that I ordered recently, was $100, so a little bit of a price increase. Not huge, but still, as a reseller, every dollar counts, right? Let's get into this box, friends. Alrighty, if you see like my living room, it's because I just unboxed a Jomar Wholesale box, so I have piles of clothes and boxes and stuff everywhere. Don't take offense. Let's get into this one. I like to share with you guys like my first peek at everything. Yeah, my living room after an unboxing is like crazy. There's just like stuff everywhere. Okay, here we go, my invoicey, but we know this was the last $90 one. And here we go. They always put this, thank you Thredup for this single piece of tissue paper. Remember friends, these are DIY reject boxes from Thredup. So this is what they look like. It's like they literally just throw some stuff in the boxes. It usually needs to be cleaned and sorted and all that, but this is what we're starting with. Ooh, I get so excited every time I look in there. Okay, friends, I'm super excited even from the first peek. I'm going to do probably a bad reseller YouTuber haul move and show you something that's probably going to be like one of the best items in this box first because I can't help it. I need to peek in and show you these. Oh yes, just a simple rain boot, but the brand on these is Hunter. Hunter rain boots are expensive. Let me get it to focus for you. Come on, camera. There we go. I love seeing that brand, Hunter. I've sold rain boots and stuff by this brand for like 50, 60 bucks pre-owned. Often the tall ones. I'm not sure what these low booties resale for, but I'm sure it's good. If I see sizes and stuff, I don't see it right off. I'll share it with you because I know you message me sometimes. You're like, I need those shoes from that haul, and that's fine. I do sell directly to my friends here on the channel. Oh, these ones have a little flaw here. They look great for pre-owned, but there's like a little rip in the plastic and the lining. But like, look on the tread on these and everything. Super nice. It says 1856. I don't know, I won't waste our time now, but my guess is these are like a 7 or something, and I love them, and where am I going to throw all these shoes? It's always like, Peter's upstairs working in his office, he'll come down to the living room when I'm done, and it's like I've taken over the entire living room. My Jomar Wholesale box is spread out everywhere. Now there's going to be a big pile of shoes. Sorry. Oh, cool. So I got some Nike, how do you say it? So I have not been a sneaker seller. Have you guys? I know there's money to be made, especially on sites like eBay selling sneakers. Well, in my last Thredup rescue boxes, I got similar style kind of Nike, and they sold, like they're one of the first things that sold. So I was going to show you. So here, this is what I learned. Inside of a Nike shoe, you'll see like a tag or something. There's usually a long number and letter, and if I put that into Google, it'll give me the style name on these, and I think people like a certain style. These look teeny tiny. They are a US 7, super lightweight. Now I'll clean all these up. So I clean all the shoes. I disinfect them, I scrub them, I clean them. I've got some videos on the channel of me cleaning shoes and handbags. I use the same process pretty much, so if you want to know how I do that, these look nice. Just a little bit of dirt. I use something called a magic eraser along the white there to make them look nice. If those are my size, I would keep them. Ooh, Vans. Cute too. Vans are still so popular and still sell well. These are like a snakeskin one. So I will do my research because within brands, there are certain shoes that are like coveted, like people like a certain print or style. I haven't seen these snakeskin ones, so I don't know. These might go for like 20 bucks or 40 bucks or 10 bucks. I'll let you know. In my haul videos, I like to pop up on the screen if I learn something about a brand, if I research comps. When I put the comps up, they're really average, you know. Sometimes comps are different on Posh than they are on eBay. Sometimes, you know, there's a lot of variance, so, you know, take it with a grain of salt. It's like estimated comps from when I look. Whoa, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. Friends, I want to take a minute to make sure you have subscribed to the channel so you don't miss other videos. Hit that little bell. That'll notify you when I go live, which I do every Friday on the channel for reseller community night. So fun, awesome people, super nice, welcoming group of resellers, and we just talk all about our week in reselling. And I do a lot of videos, a lot of unboxings, a lot of reselling education content, and we'd love to have you. So subscribe, turn on the bell. I'm drawing a bell like this. Maybe I can find a little bell picture and go pop it up. Yeah. Wow, these are like over the knee boots. Like it's not even a tall boot. This like goes all the way up over your knee. Got a nice nice stacked heel there. Seem to be in good condition. They don't feel like they might be a little cheap. I don't know. Oh, look, so I guess you can like fold it over. But I don't see any name brand. I'm looking down into the boot. What's this? Oh, it's the zipper. These have no name brand. So, oh no, here we go. Charlotte Russe. Okay, so it's kind of an inexpensive. I don't remember where that's sold. You guys, I think it might be like Walmart or something. Charlotte Russe, but those are cutie. These are fun boots. Like, you know, they're faux suede over the knee boots. So like if someone just wants to have some fun for a bit, I don't see a size on them yet, but I got you covered if you're looking for some. Ooh, there's some good stuff in. Oh, this is going to be a good box. Thank you, Thredup. It's worth paying the extra $10 if I get some good stuff like this. Okay, these are Volcom. These are just women's flip-flops. Nothing too cray-cray here. Seem to be in really good shape. One of the hardest things about these boxes is a lot of stuff doesn't have sizes. And it's like, I can put it on my size 8 foot and then kind of estimate, like this is probably a 9. And then what I'll do is for the customer say, I think these are a 9, but I'm gonna measure for you from the toe to the heel and, you know, sell them as is. I need water again. If you're listening to this video or watching it, are you hydrated? Have you had your water? Now's a good time. Let's have a little water cooler break and I'll come back. Okay, yeah, I've had my espresso today. Love it. I have the best espresso maker ever. It's linked down in the description section, which is where all my helpful links are, like all the tools I use, all my stuff is down there for you, stuff that I really love. Bummer, I thought these were Birkenstock, so I was like, yes, because in my last box I got a Birkenstock, sold right away 24 hours for like 45 bucks. This is some other brand. Does anyone know what this is? Let me see if the other shoe, if it's more readable. It looks like it says SHTEKH, no idea, size 7.5. Hey, they look exactly like Birkenstocks. They feel like they're genuine leather. These might be another popular brand similar to Birkenstock that people like. So I'll do my research on those. It's so funny for me because I'm 45 years old. When I grew up in New England, in the Boston area, like some of my mom's friends wore Birkenstocks and they were always like really kind of hippie ladies. Like it was not stylish. It was just a certain kind of choice. Now all these gorgeous young 20-year-old women are walking around all trendy with their skinny jeans and their Birkenstocks. They are so back in style. And I've heard they're super comfortable. That's why some of you guys have told me, oh, Sorels.
Hello.
I've never found Sorel. Like I think it depends where you live. I'm in Northern California. It gets cold here, but not that cold. I mean, I know a lot of my reselling friends like up in Washington, Portland find Sorel. I never do. So here we go. This is like a Sorel sandal. Here's what the name brand looks like. I was gonna show you the inside, but that might be hard. That's Sorel. Very expensive, high quality, like outdoor wear. Is that a word? Outdoor wear? Like outerwear or hiking? I don't know what the heck they are. I just know that they're good and they sell well. I don't know about this particular pair, but let me tell you, These are Sorel size women's 7. There's a style name, so maybe I'll be able to find those. Super nice. I mean, look at the tread. I mean, these don't even look like they've really been worn that much. So, super nice. Boots. Ooh, these are lovely. Look at those. Those are beautiful. Suede and leather. Ooh, they're Uggs. Hey, what's your experience with Uggs, friends? Like, I know the classic suede slouchy slipper-like boot that everyone wears sells pretty good, but these are like a real boot by the brand Ugg. A brown stacked heel, a combo of black suede and leather. Super nice. Super nice. Let me see if there's a size. Oh, and they do have the sheepskin lining. So there was some worry that these were kind of like faked in the past. I don't know if that's still a thing, but there's usually a hologram. Like this has got the authentic looking tag. I don't see the hologram. US 6.5. Yeah, they looked a little bit leather. Gorgeous. A really nice boot. I don't know what comps are, but if I find out, comparable solds on eBay and Posh. Boots. I get your boots. Boots. I know I'm filming this in March 2021. We're moving into spring and summer. That's what I'm focusing on. But like boots are good. What are these babies? These feel nice. What? Look at that. Look at the gorgeousness of these. Have I been doing my whole video with like my shirt hanger thing hanging out? I probably have. Why do they let me make videos? Like, why? But these say Lavorazione, Argentina, size 37. Euro sizing is usually a good sign on a shoe. I assume that's the brand. Leather upper. I don't know, I'll show it to you in case anyone knows anything. Hopefully I'll do some research. Hopefully that's the brand. They feel like really gorgeous quality, so I'm leaving that up for you guys to see. Like a gray Western boot. They look small. Here's the other one. What else is down in there? There we go. So those are beautiful. Listen, boots. They've got a little bit of wear, but I will clean those up. I use that Ugg sheepskin cleaner. It is linked in the description, but it's been sold out for a while, so I don't know. But I love that one. Karen Scott. So this is just kind of like a black slip-on loafer with a little bit of heel. I think this is kind of like a Macy's brand, size 6.5. These look new. I mean, I don't think this is these might be considered classic, but I don't think this is a very current style. But look at the tread on those. Those don't look like they've ever even been worn. Good like work classic shoe, the Rennie, size 6.5. I love how they name shoes. And then I get to put it in my title. This looks kind of, oh, another pair of sneaks. These are just like gray sneaks. This style, this kind of chunky sneaker style though, is very popular with the young ladies right now with their mom jeans. These are Charlotte Russe again, so not a great brand, or I don't know. I mean, I think it's just like a lower end brand. These look kind of worn, but not bad. Size 39. So that's like my size. That's like around an 8. Okay. Ooh, some Stuart Weitzman. What is hanging off? Is this broken? I don't know. Okay. This is a Stuart Weitzman. Pretty good brand. I just can't figure out what's happening here. They're like all, like, not quite gladiator, but maybe. I see. Okay, I think this is an ankle, an adjustable. Oh, okay, it's just a buckle there. Size 7.5. Cute little Stuart Weitzman. There's just nothing to this shoe. I need like way more support than this. They're made in Spain, so that's good. Come spring, summer, some lady's gonna want those. These look pretty beat up. Oh gosh, these are cool though. 9 West. Maybe I could list these as vintage or something. They're like a cool bright orange faux snakeskin situation. These need a serious cleanup. Like, they just look a little like loved and used, but if you're looking for like a pop of color and you need an orange shoe, why not? Okay, these little ballets, they look like little elfin shoes to me, like because they're kind of like bent up like this. Is that right? Bent up. Another pair of Stuart Weitzman. These are like slip-on ballet flats in a gray kind of metallic snakeskin. These look like they have been loved and worn, but I will clean these babies up. I don't see a size right off, but made in Spain, so that's a good shoe. So there you have it. I think a pretty awesome box. I got Sorels. I got some Argentinian gorgeous boots. I got some Uggs and those Hunter Rain boots and some Vans. I mean, this box is paid for, my friends. 90 bucks. I'll make that up on a couple pairs of these shoes, so it makes it a really good deal. And my next one that I unboxed with you is on its way. $100 for that one, so just a little bit more, you know, less than $1 each pair of shoes. I now have to clean the shoes, which I don't mind doing. I actually kind of like it, but it's getting myself to say, shoe cleaning day and getting out there and doing it. If you have any tips, let me know. For now though, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Weird. Look at this. Not cool. I gotta figure that out. Not cool. What to say about the shoe. No, it's like they're kind of like, I don't know.